What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. You already know I am Avis. So this video is about how I'm going to get my lips plumped up and basically get them all juicy, because I feel like they're a little on the thin side. So if you want to see how your girl's about to get her lips plumped, you just keep on watching. So anyway, let's just get right into it. So anyway, this video is sponsored by Kylie and also the company Grande. Big. Grande, that's Spanish. And Grande means big. So Grande, Grande lips, you guys. So right here I have their Trio 3 lip hydrating, instant lip hydrating lip plumper. And this is what it looks like. Bam. Okay, now in the back it has the color of spicy mauve, original clear, and also sun-baked. Oh, okay, it's two different. Okay. Anyway, it says first step instant plump, number 2 is long-term benefits. So it hydrates your lips. It says 51% hydration, 15% plumpness, 13% firmness, and 11% is softness. So what I'm fixing to do is open it. And I have some gloss on, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this and come back and let you guys know what it's like, because, well, I'm going to try it on camera, but majority of the time when you use stuff like that, it get like a little menthol tingly lip fit sensation. So let me remove this, then we'll come back and then do that. Okay, this is what it looks like with the top off. Definitely my colors. And let me tell you real quick before I get right into this video, Octoly is a place where YouTubers can go to get free items to review, to try, whether you are a beauty vlogger, health vlogger, gamer, or whatever the case it may be. Just go in there, pick out stuff that you want to try, and they will approve you or not. Okay, and before you do all that, if you're completely brand new, they have to approve your channel, see that your channel meets the requirements that they have for their site in order for you to review stuff. And I've been working with them for a few years now, so yeah. Anyway, let's go ahead and try this one. First, I'd like to say that the packaging is amazing. Come on. That's what it looks like. Oh. It's like a little pen thing, like you gotta push, so I'm sure I'm gonna push. Okay, there it is. So as I push, it's like it's injecting the lip cream. Oh my God, look at it. It's like with a, like it's drawing blood. Oh my gosh, that was so cool. I never saw such a thing before. Oh, okay, come through. Okay. There go that little sensation on your lips. It's kind of like a tingle and burn. My lips are definitely tingling. All up and through there. But one thing I could say, that color is nice. How you doing? I'm Olivia Pope. Now, one thing I do like, first of all, is they have a clear one. I am a clear lip gloss girl. If it's not clear, I will be doing nude colors. And both of these are definitely nude colors. They're in the nude family. This one and that one. The spicy and the sun-baked. Okay? Now, like I said, I'm definitely getting a lot of tingling on my lips. There's no need for me to try on the clear. And I don't want to remove this product as of yet. So I'm going to keep it on. I'm going to just show this one on my hand though, like a swatch. And on the back of it, the packaging, it tells and explains everything, like what it does, directions, or it says for the best results. Apply the Grande twice a day on clean, dry lips. You may apply throughout the day in combination with other lip products or alone. Continue to layer for a desired color. So this is what I say it looks like. The little tube on the inside. And you have like a little clicker there. So I'm going to keep clicking until it moves down. As you can see, it's filling up. And then it's going to shoot down that little tube right there. Come on. There it is. See that? Cool. So now we're going to swatch it on our hand. Go let him know I'm on the video, please. And that's what that looks like. It's like a beautiful nude color. Very gorgeous. And you guys already know clear is like clear lip gloss. So, but what I am getting, like this nice nice tingling sensation on my lips. And the nude is very nice as well. So anyway, you guys, that's basically it. I don't know if it's plumping up the lips or not, but I can tell you I've definitely got a lot of tingling and burning going on in my lips. And overall, I like the color. Okay, I can't say it's making my lips plump or not, but the color is amazing. So you guys, if you want to try these things, just go check out Octoly. And just go pick out some stuff you like to review if you're a YouTuber. Okay. So I'll see you guys next time when you're reviewing things with Avis. Bye guys.